Hello guys, good morning. Let's see if everything is fine, it's working up and working. Yep. Good morning guys to another session of scalping. Checking quickly what we have on the charts. US oil, I'll try to hunt a long or a short. GBP has an expansion here, same euro. It finished this sell model. Oh, I think it's up only mode. And yeah, no liquidity has been taken on DAX. But I like ES and Nasdaq. I think they'll be my picks for New York. But in this morning, I think I'll hunt this one. I'll hunt on oil. Good morning, Tolga. Good morning. What I like on oil is that we have a daily fair value gap here. So you see the price is SFing right in the daily fair value gap. It had good reactions so far. So 1, 2 reactions, left equal high, then clear rejection from the supply area created here. Also, we need to keep in mind this opening gap here. It's also an area to keep into account. Nasdaq is going for the liquidity. I wonder if they leave this FEG open, because if they leave the FEG open, I'll take a long. I'll take something like this. 3.17, 4.99. I'll see 9 minutes, but I'll take this one. If I get an entry, because I see it's quite bullish, but I should get an entry. Hello, guys. Hey, hello. Good morning. I'm a little bit sick. That I am taking some vitamins now. The flu got me, but it's not too bad. It's okay. Bitcoin dominance 57 is the target in my opinion. The next one. Not too many things that I can do on crypto right now because I can't long and I wouldn't short. I don't want to short. So I would better wait. If I get this entry, I'll take it on Nasdaq. I'm not going for this FEG, I'm going for this one. TP1 would be here. Well, let's see if we get an entry. Doesn't look like wants to give me an entry. Two point 2.5 and 4.6 maybe. Maybe. Let's try a small risk. So don't change. Okay, I got an entry. Let's see now. US soil stopped moving down. This you can see, guys, that Bitcoin already had a Monday setup, so this would have been a valid short. Also M here, an M. So, but I don't know, I wouldn't short with the strain that we had. Just for paper trade purpose, I'll keep this one here, but I wouldn't short. I just wanted to highlight the fact that we swept Monday high. When the dip gets deeper, when the dip is dipping, how is that saying? I think I'm okay with this TP. I don't want to be greedy, but I think I'll take a stop loss here. It looks like that's the one to push. There's a lot of events this morning, so but not necessarily on ES, like on US markets. That's why I'm trying to take the scalp long. It's more on Europe. So we have French manufacturing PMI, flash sales, German PMI. There's plenty of news in this morning around Europe. I think I would have better went with this one, but not an issue. I'll try to. The studio is good enough. So this is just me, just based on Monday setup on Monday range. You can see this Monday high. Sorry, we swept Monday high, confirmation of that sweep, nice M. So clear setup, maybe a 2R, but I repeat, I wouldn't short now. That definitely this up trust needs a pullback, like consolidation to the downside, but up to everybody how it wants to play it. I have plenty of setups. We have plenty of setups from VIP. I mean, plenty of trades, so I don't feel the need to take another one right now. We have a lot of swings that are looking really, really, really good. So I'm okay with that. Looks like it wants to hold this one. Yeah, the 3 minutes FEG hold. It did held. Hey, Dalmudi. Hello, guys. Anonymous, hello. Yeah, for me, I actually, what I think is that a lot of altcoins will go up because the rotation will go from Bitcoin to altcoins, but we need a cool off on Bitcoin dominance, like a retracement. As soon as I see a little pullback, this looks like a bull flag here. Okay, if I see a little pullback, I think I'll start hunting with the AG some longs on 5 minutes. But I want to see this one slowing down a little bit. Even now, you can hunt. That's my. You can hunt some altcoins because that's what happens. See, most likely the money will go from altcoins to from Bitcoin to altcoins after such a pump. We need Bitcoin to range, like slowly bleed here in this area. I think if we look on the weekly, we don't have too much volume here, so it's an area in which it will spend some time. Yeah, all this can be so empty. This looks like a bottoming formation. Look at the volume. Like even structure tells the fact that this looks like a Wyckoff accumulation pattern, pretty clean one. And look at the volume. So if we go on the same and do the same here, yeah, but I think I need to pick another chart. See, like bottoming formation, lots of volume here. Let's see where is the 78.6 because that's what I'm waiting for a buy. Still didn't change too much from 18 to almost 20. I still think we'll get that area. At least at least 61.8, so 23,000. I still think we can get that area. And right now I'm not that eager too long, especially due to the fact that you see we are really close to 61.8 here. And also this is the breaker. High time frame one, weekly fair value gap. This one is taking his time. Come on, oil. Sweep it so I can have a setup. What the hell are you doing? Oh my god. Annoying. Can you repeat please? Which area? Which area what? Sorry. Which area? I mean, I wouldn't be too bullish around here at 36, 37. We have breaker, weekly fair value gap, and golden pocket, and the top of the channel, the ascending channel. You see, it rejected from 618 from Fib 618 here. Really nice rejection. Trend-based Fib extension. Ah, for a retracement, you ask Kuchor. Yeah, I still think that we'll visit this area. 61.8 at least. Zach posted something interesting last night. Like, remember when they pumped from 6K to 10K in 1 week, or what was that? And then they retraced the whole movement in the coming weeks. Anything can happen in crypto. I have my bags because Paul, I listened to Paul. I started buying when I came in Crypto Traders Arena. It was July. I don't, it was here. Here I started buying. So my main accumulation phase was starting with this area to this area. I bought a lot, like a lot. And it's not like he DM me and said secretly buy. He was yelling everywhere. He was yelling everywhere buy. Like when everyone was calling the NK here, he was yelling buy, 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 buy. Yeah, but up to everybody how it makes his plans. And 1 minute. Yeah, we have a SMT with ES. What is ES doing? I was expecting ES to be weaker. Why I have bearish? Oh, okay. This is just yeah, yeah. It's a reaccumulation phase, Otto. You can long this one. I'm long already. This is reaccumulation phase. Hopefully, I won't have the manipulation into my stop loss, but I have this another one long. Yeah. Because usually after consolidation comes manipulation and then expansion. Let's see. But yeah, it looks like it's reaccumulating for another pump. Kevin posted last night. I mean, if we look now at the charts, we can see a lot of W's. Man, my bag on energy is just flying. I know who shielded me, but it's something from Crypto Traders Arena shielded around here. 1 second, February, March. I started, yeah, and I bought around $2 to $3 around here. I bought, and it's up only. Can't remember who shielded this one, but I think it was one of the best calls. Ape, $1. I bought a lot of spot. Dodge also. I'm in this long on Dodge. Not performing the best, but remember, if Elon is tweeting, this one will skyrocket and it has a lot of room to go up. Even though I have equal lows here, but come on, Otto, send it. Send it to my TP. Send it. Moon mission. I think the people that are really surprised by the Bitcoin movements are the ones that don't have any holdings, like they didn't prepare. Like we have the little old lady plan. We have plenty of like if you need a plan, we have that. So if you need a plan, if you want to know how to DCA, if you want to know how to nibble altcoins or anything like that, everything is for free on Discord regarding plans. So I think there is no excuse for people not to be prepared on this for this movement. And you don't need lots of money. Paul made it accessible. Like you can start with 1K, and that's all. 1K is all that it requires. And I'm sure that most of the people who bought from our community, they are in a really comfortable position. If it goes lower, we buy again. Not a problem. Oil is trolling me. Come on, oil. Sorry. I want this one to be faster because I don't want to trail or scalp this one into the New York session. I really expect for the price to SFU this low into the FEG and then fly. That would imply it takes my stop loss, but it will take my other entry too, so I'm okay with that. I'm really okay with that. We'll see. I'm disappointed by oil though. I mean, Nasdaq, yeah, setup is clear, but this double is holding this double bottom. It's holding on oil. You can see really nice reaction from this SFU into the into the, that was on 9 minutes here. Yeah, 5 minutes here. So they took liquidity into this fair value gap and then boom. Yeah, but I can't do anything. I don't like what I see on oil right now. I wouldn't take it. Two point 61.8. Nice. Nice confluence here. So I wouldn't take Mountain Man because the range is too high, way too high. Yeah, for oil, due to the fact that it has a lot of volatility, yes, Otto, exactly. It is. Most of the time it is. Because it's very, very volatile and it has the strength to deliver. That's the point on oil. That's why I'm not trading into New York too many of them because they don't have the strength to deliver that specific setup. While oil has the strength to deliver. That's the thing on oil. Okay. I'm not yet stopped out, and I don't have an entry yet. Now I do have an entry. Yeah. Okay. We have an entry. Let's see if this was a manipulation. Now we should go to the upside. Consolidation, manipulation, expansion. If not, that's it. Minus 0.6%. I'm okay with that. You can see it's attacking the 15 minutes fair value gap here. I mean, this was my initial setup, but I don't know why I went with the other one too. That's what I was waiting initially, but now you should go to the upside, like send it mode, because I want to finish this trade in 1 hour. And I want to close it in 1 hour. It can even go and tap this breaker, but I would like not to go below that one. USD CAD 730. I don't know. I'm not trading USD. Let's see USD CAD. You said. Well, let's see DXY. What is DXY doing? Okay, it's down only mode. Okay, okay. No reaction from the draw of liquidity here. You can see. Well, down only Dalmudi. It equal low here. Hunting this equal lows. Or even this one, the next one. So you have to watch for these levels on but also what is he pumping from? Go on daily, maybe I'm missing something. Yeah, nice Otto. Now we wait, we pray and wait and pray. I don't like the XY. Structure is not that. I think it will make the trompeta model Otto's favorite. That's how it looks like. Yeah, it is Dalmody, but I don't like the XY now. But it did SFU, and I have too many gaps. I saw this one. I just don't like the chart right now. And you see, maybe I have this equal highs here, maybe, but it's a little bit too late for me. You should have taken it here at this reclaim. This reclaim was a clear one, so it should have been something like this, maybe. If you are in this one, yeah, it's okay. How did you do that? Yeah, it's a drawing tool, Lotto. I have my stop loss here. Sorry for misinterpreting. It's a drawing tool, Lotto. It's a pitch fan fork, or let me name it. Let me find the name. Disjointed channel. Sorry, disjointed channel. Houston, what are you doing? Hold the line. Damn, motherfucker. It's not like it hit any liquidity level. I mean, dropping from thin air. And we have a fair value gap. I'll close this one at break even if I get a chance. I have a 5 minutes fair value gap here. I don't like it. It displaced to the downside. Liquidity swept here. Retesting the 4-hour opening. Maybe it wants to go even for this one, which is my stop loss. We'll see. Yeah, it's very good, Otto. Very, very good. Trompeta model activated here. Man, TXY, it's pumping from what? No liquidity swept. Maybe he woke up and he said, "Okay, let's pump it, like those brothers pump it." Talmudi, I said that I won't scalp necessarily the Forex because I have a lot of news on Forex. It's full of news today on Forex, especially on the Europe side. Full of news. Yeah, USD CAD is not Europe, but yeah, you get the point. 0.38. I mean, Nasdaq, I can see why it, but it didn't swept a really key level of, especially yes, didn't swept anything. I mean, not even short reload zone, but it looks like a diamond pattern here. If I'm looking on a high time frame, Yeah, Otto, that's a good point. If it's closing below the breaker, then I think we have a bearish DR, most likely. But I wouldn't short with these equal highs here in the game. I'll just take the loss and that's it. Maybe they want to retrace. Have some liquidity here. But how I was looking at it, I was looking to take Monday high here, at least Monday high, and then the equal high, and then create some sort of reversal here. But didn't want it to do that. You managed to take USD CAD Dalmudi on 5 minutes. This reclaim here. And GB Euro USD wants to pour to the downside. Bitcoin is still there. I remember, guys, I'm not taking this on. Looks like a bull flag now. You see now, I mean, I don't like the fact that this neckline was not displaced, but it looks like a retracement. So you have to make the difference between a displacement and the retracement, a pullback. This looks more like a pullback, not a displacement to the downside, because we don't have a fair value gap into the breaker. We have it around here, but I want it here at the neckline. So that looks like a pullback to me, and then higher. Yeah, really nice here on euro. Really, really nice. And man, but quite a late entry here. I don't know what was going on with this gap. Yeah, same auto, same. What happened with you? Yeah, I think it's news because we have plenty of news on Euro. It was looking at this one. Yeah, you see. So the candle only closed here. If you would have taken 5 minutes, if you take even 2 minutes, no, I'm not. I will be taking it if it retests. If I get something like that, I will take it. We'll see. But the DXY looks pretty strong here. Rejecting daily open, maybe a little pullback into the Monday low retest and then going higher. No, I don't. That's why That's why I didn't took anything on Forex. You saw how the price was displaced. They, the price just displays the market structure. I mean, left an opening gap, not a proper imbalance. Looks like this one wants to reclaim. If we reclaim the breaker, that would be good news. But we have this 5 minutes FEG, which I think it will reject. If it rejects it, most likely I will take a loss of half of what I'm, or even less. It's 1.3 here, or even less than that. So I'll actually, what I'll do, I'll partially take from the position. I do this. This is one of the things that I have in plan. If the structure is not favors me, I'll just close partially. If it goes back and I have a bullish structure, I'll just add to the winning position. But I'm not going to add to a losing one. Let's see, if we get here and reject, I'm just going to close a little bit. If we pump and take this as support, then it's good news. Nice, I see a scalp from Paul on Pepe. Yeah, I like it. I mean, most of the times when crypto is pumping, then the shitcoin will, the money from Bitcoin goes into altcoins, and then from altcoins go to into shitcoins. I saw a really interesting thing that after football, it's so after all the crypto is pumping and football is pumping, that's really bad news. That's like the end of the move when football coins are pumping. Let's see 1 minute. If we close like this, yeah. I just closed from the position here. You can see 1 minute it closed like quite bearish. So I closed part of my position here. If I see a reclaim, then I'll take it. I want to see reclaim of this breaker, not rejection of it. You see the top of the breaker is rejecting. Yeah, that's good. Good that I closed. I closed more than 70%, guys, 75% here, and you see why. So we just took this 5 minutes fair value gap as resistance. We swept this high into the 5 minutes fair value gap, and you saw that the 1 minute close was really bearish. So has no had um, no purpose to keep that one. If I see a reclaim, so the setup is pretty clean right now. I have this breaker, I have this FEG. So if I see that price is reclaiming, pretty easy I can get back. But it's useless to hold a position that is not going into your favor, especially to add. So that mistake. So you see, I entered here and I went out here after the candle closed, and it's going lower. So it was a good decision. I took a stop like here, like only zero point 0.1 of what I was willing to risk. And I'll reassess. So not a big deal. DXY, fighting with daily open. I don't want to watch Forex today with all that is happening. DAX. DAX looks like wants to go higher for that Monday high. US oil, it's still there, not moving. Nothing that we can do. One second, guys, be right back. Okay, I'm back. What did I miss? Oh, Nasdaq is just hovering around those lows. I think the XY will be up only today. It's looking quite bullish. I think I'll leave it half an hour, but if this Euro setup still looks the same, man, where is the Monday low? Oh my god. And not only Monday, I mean, we can take the weekly open. But this setup is looking really good. But I'll leave it cool off like 1 hour or half an hour, because we had, and we still have like French, we have German, so I think Euro will be pretty affected by those news. And it can easily make the same thing that I was looking at on the XY. It can make this trompeta pattern. Can have something like this. So better avoid. Can go here, something like this. Bounce from this breaker area. And then up. Not the best session. Not too many things that we can do right now. Oil, I'm still hunting that one. If we get a sweep until yeah, even near session. So if we get a sweep until the end of the day, I have the alarm. I'll take this one, reclaim on 5 minutes, or even 3 minutes if you are fast enough, because oil usually when it takes Monday low or Monday high, it's quickly moving to the opposite side, like really quickly. You can see here Monday, Tuesday sweep, reversal. Look at this. Risk to reward ratio was absolutely beautiful here. Man, 19th September. Okay, this was really nice. So you can see it's working pretty well. Right there is pretty high here. It had no SFU. Here we go, Monday. Sweep of the Monday high. Look at the risk reward here. Close on to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and boom, took the lows. So I'm waiting. I'll be taking this one. Oh, okay. You heard me? What? What the hell is going on? Maybe it hurt. I was complaining about it. And I like also the high time frame because it's a sweep of liquidity, a draw of liquidity into a daily fair value gap. That's what I like a lot. So it's pretty clear setup in my opinion. I'll take it. Oh, okay. I see it wants to leave equal high, which is very good. If I see something like this, I'll take it. I think that would be it, guys. I mean, not too many setups. I tried along here. I still have a small position at ES to Gallows. Yeah. I still have a small position because I exit like 75%, but I'm not willing to take another shot here. I'll go on New York and I'll hunt Bitcoin. Nothing to do in my opinion here. Hunt altcoins, shit coins, whatever coins. US oil. I'll hunt this long here. If I get a close back above, like as per my plan. And euro is looking good for a short. Like it's looking really good for a short, but keep in mind that it has a lot of news right now, and that gap it's tasty for a short, and it has a lot of room to the downside. But keep in mind that it can make a seek and destroy pattern, like you saw on the XY, and it can go higher. You can see actually we are really close to yearly open here. Nice. Okay. Oh, okay. So thank you very much for attending, guys. If you want to trade with us, don't forget that you can find us on Discord. We are daily trading there, me and Paul. You have everything that you need from scalping to swing trading and even preparing for the next bull market. We have everything that it requires there. So jump up and follow us on Discord and come and trade with us. You can find the website in the description, and there you can get on our Discord. Thank you very much for having me, guys. Bye bye.